Sharpen! Let's go! Sharpen! Let's go! First touch, blade was dying, edge so dull, no shine. Lock it in the Sharpie system tight. Now I'm bringing steel to life. Got its strokes, feel the flow. Didn't know, now I know. Angle set, perfect control. Watch the edge take us all from 0 to